everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I have something really special for you. This is one of my favorite desserts, combining the juicy sweetness of mangoes with the creamy goodness of payasam. I'm going to make this special mango payasam. It will be perfect for any occasion, whether you're celebrating a festival or hosting a dinner party. To all the mango lovers out there, you're going to absolutely adore this dessert. Without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to roast some cashew nuts and raisins to a pan. Add a little bit of ghee. Just add a few cashew nuts. Roast the cashew nuts till they turn to a nice golden brown color. So once the cashews have turned to a nice golden brown color, I'm just adding a few raisins. The raisins have plumped up. Turn off the stove, remove from the pan and keep it aside. To the same pan, add another teaspoon of ghee. So I've taken half cup of roasted vermicelli. Although I'm using roasted vermicelli for this recipe, I'm just going to roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes in ghee because it will give a very nice flavor. To a nice white pan, I'm pouring 1 liter of milk. So let's bring the milk to a boil. So just mix the milk at intervals so it doesn't stick to the pan. Once the milk comes to a low boil, just add the roasted vermicelli and mix everything well. This will take a couple of minutes to cook. So we're going to cook the vermicelli in milk. So I've cooked about quarter cup of sago, that is sabudana. I'm adding that as well. Now this is entirely optional. If you don't want to add the sago, you can do it without the sago. These sago pearls will give a very nice texture when you have the payasam or the kheer. Next, I'm adding about half cup of sugar. Now you can adjust the sugar according to your taste and also depending on the sweetness of the mangoes. This is a very simple and easy to make payasam, that is the kheer, very flavorful. Add about a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Just give that a quick mix. Also adding a few saffron strands. Next, I'm adding the roasted cashew nuts and raisins. After about 30 seconds, turn off the stove. Since the payasam is very hot, we will not be adding the mango puree now. So we have to let it rest for about 10 minutes and after that I will add the mango puree. I've just transferred the payasam, that is the kheer, to another big bowl. It's come to room temperature now. To this I'm adding 3 cups, that's a 250 ml cup measurement of nice sweet mango puree. The first time I made this payasam was just irresistible. Everybody at home absolutely loved it and thoroughly enjoyed it. So you can see it's a bit thick. You can always dilute it by adding a little bit of milk at room temperature. You can just add some cold milk. Now this payasam, that is the kheer, will be best if served nice and chilled, or you can enjoy it immediately. You can enjoy this delicious mango payasam or the mango kheer nice and chilled. It's just a wonderful dessert. Finally, I'm just going to garnish with a few chopped pistachios and a few chopped pieces of mangoes. So there you go. Here is a perfect blend of creamy tropical sweetness. Whether you're enjoying it as a refreshing dessert after a meal or sharing it with your loved ones on a special occasion, this dish is sure to impress. I can't wait to try this gorgeous dessert. Oh, wow, look at this, it's so creamy. Oh my God. A mouthful of heaven, or even if there's something better. Oh, this is so good. Wow, that mango payasam just tasted incredible. It was just a burst of flavors in my mouth, and it is so refreshing with the flavors of mango. Now this is a great dessert for dinners or get-togethers, and this will serve up to 10 to 12 people comfortably. So make sure you follow all the steps to get it perfectly and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.